Morning guys, so today we're off to the Practical Car and Classic show at the NEC. So I'm just going to go make a coffee and then we're going to head off in the A40, go and pick Liam up. To get Liam. Got camera set up so when he gets in you can see him. So yeah, let's crack on. It's a bit wet. When I came out it was looking alright and then started chucking it down, so outfit change, get the coat on, let's roll. So we've made it to the show. Where's he gone? Over here. He's there! I lost him. We're just doing a bit of a recce now and then we'll probably find some stands that we want to film. But it's awesome. Check it out. Woo!
So Paul, a car like this is worth an absolute fortune of money. I'm willing to do you a deal today at sub 10 grand, just we'll talk about that after.
So this car's owned by the guy that did the welding on Oscar, called Matt. It's pretty impressive, right-hand drive, got it imported from South Africa, and yeah. So, classic car show and bit of gardening furniture. think we should start our other channel, Rusty Butts, the allotment channel. Hose luck. So we're just coming into the Footman James barn find section. How cool. There's Liam. Hello. Look how cool this is. Let's have a look around. Let's give it the sniff test. Old. We've just spotted this car has a boiled sweet stuck to it.
Maybe a very early one of his original.
Just got to the auto jump wall and I've never been in one before. I'm super excited.
Not more excited than me.
We are on the way to buy a picnic set. Liam spotted it, sent it to his missus, and now we're buying it. Although, hopefully we won't be able to carry it because it's massive. Look, here it is. Time's a haggle. These little vintage garage pumps are amazing. There's one here with a toolbox. This one has a built-in fridge. And this little guy is your EV charger. So Liam's been spending, we've got...
Don't tell the wife.
It's got a high torque start motor. And we've got this huge box, which is his picnic kit. So yeah, we're on our way out now. Hi mate. Thanks. Do you need to scan this? Brilliant. Cheers pal.
Thank you. What did you say?
See how she purrs. Now I'm on a highway. Do you mind popping that in?
Bump. Oh. Back broken in several places.
We need just a little parking bit just to pull into. I mean, that was. I don't like the camber of it. It's that picnic set weighing us down.
Yeah, that's it.
Bloody heaven. Wear a seatbelt sign. We would, but I should have asked at Bad Boy Classics actually. They got those plates because they're the ones that sell the plates. That just because down in the transmission, so then I'll just put it through and bolt into that.
Then you could have actually brought something.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna have to go online and buy it for more money
and pay it postage.
Yeah. Right, we're going back.
Still got the stamp on her hand.
Well, I really hope you enjoy the video, guys. If you are enjoying our content, please consider subscribing to the channel. We're really hoping to get to that 1,000 subs this year at some point. And if you do like this video, please do leave it a like. If you don't, obviously leave it a dislike, and then we know that this isn't the kind of content you